Alright everyone, it's about 6:40 in the morning on a Sunday morning. We're going to start off the vlog, obviously, with a cold start. Here we go. Alright everyone, we're at our meetup spot. We're just waiting for a few more folks to show up. We'll go across the lineup, grab some breakfast, and then head to the track. So we'll see you then. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And man, we hit 500 subscribers. That's awesome. You guys are great. So if you're new to the channel, keep subscribing. The more subscribers we get, the better off we can do. So, all right, we're at the meet spot for Mopar Mayhem. We're heading to the track this morning, and we're gonna go down the lineup. Here we go. All right, of course, you got Shake and Bake. You know Shake and Bake's got to be at the track. All right, we got a Daytona 392. I'm sorry, not a Daytona, just a straight 392. We got SRT 8. We're gonna have to line up against this guy, show him how it's done. We come over here, we got a Daytona 392. He just got tuned by the man Jay Green, so now he thinks he's all bad. Wants to line up against Shake and Bake, so we're gonna see what happens. And of course, there's no Mopar meet, you gotta have a Hellcat. So this is Mike's Hellcat. He's all set up. I think he's got a pulley, cold air intake. I think he's got a race tune as well. He's not tuned by Jay Green, and he's also on a drag pack. So get some video on the way to the track, and then once we get to the track, we'll get into some into Maryland International Raceway, where we're doing the first day of the year, and this is also known as Budge Creek here in Maryland. So you know, if you ever want to meet up here in the Maryland International Raceway, Budge Creek, hit me up on my Instagram and we can always meet up here. But you know, this is the first day of the year. We got the gang all here. So once we get up here, get in line, and get through, we'll hit the track. All right, here we are, Maryland International Raceway, lined up out front. We got about 15 minutes or so before we can actually make it in. Just take a quick walk of the line, show you the cars that are here today. It is a little windy, so if there's some wind noise, I apologize. Mustang GT, and you got the Mopar Mayhem folks. Showed you those guys earlier. Got somebody in the trailer, and we got us a surprise guest today. We got Stangmode in his GT500. Drove 3 hours to get down here to do some test and tune. Got another GT50, another 50 Mustang. All right, we got a Ford Focus. Got another Corvette. Got a WRX. See, Fox Body Mustang. Challenger Hellcat. Another 50 Mustang. Another 50 Mustang. Looks like the Mustang crews are here today. We got another Mustang. Walking on down the line. We got another Mustang. Mustang crew is lining up this morning.
Hey, go check that out. That's awesome. Yeah.
All right, we got another Mustang 5.0. We got Trackhawk. Like I said, we got another Challenger Hellcat. Ford F-150. Of course, we got another Mustang 5.0. Another Fox body Mustang. Man, Mustangs are in force today. All right, looks like we got a Camaro Z28. Got a Magnum, the 6.1 SRT. We got a Hyundai. Another Mustang GT. Avenger. We got another Corvette coming down the strip. We got another one on the trailer. See, as we keep moving on back here, another F-150. Alright guys, that felt pretty good. Let's get up here and see what the ticket says. Felt like a pretty good run. Pretty good run for the first run. Skipped just a little bit, but let's see what the ticket says. Yeah, Gino got me by a tad. Not by much, though. Not by much. He's got a 392 Daytona, and it's tuned by Jay Green. So he just got his tune from Jay not too long ago. So this is his first time at the track, too. So let's see what the numbers come out. All right, thank you. All right, we got a 12.0 at 112, 1.760 foot, 7.7 to the 8th mile at 90 miles an hour. So let's see if I can get that on the camera. All right, not a bad first run, 12 flat. Let's see if we can do a little bit better. Maybe do a little bit longer burnout. right, guys, that's my second run. That seemed like a really good run. I think we got a lot better time this time. Let's roll up here and see what we got. I think that's a lot better time. At least it felt like a better time than that first run. Let's pull up here and see what we got. Alrighty, thank you. All right. 760 foot, 769 in the 8th at 90 miles an hour, and again 12.0 at 112 miles an hour. So let's see, there it is. That's the run. I'm sure we'll get plenty more runs in today. So we're gonna go let her cool down, see if we can get something a little bit better than 12.0. All right, everyone, I'm gonna interrupt the races real quick. As you can see, I'm back home. It's starting to get dark. I only wound up getting those 2 runs in with my Hoosiers. It was a really weird situation. About an inch and a half of the inside of the tires got wore down to literally to the wires, and one actually punctured a hole in it. So those are the 2 runs I got with my Hoosiers. Those are the 2 runs I got with the 370 gears. My initial impressions, I think they worked fine. I think also think that my tires were part of the problem. You know, my 60 foot, you know, I was getting 160, you know, mid 1.6s before. I thought I would get a much better 60 foot today, but I think part of that is due to the compromise of the tires. So we're gonna have to wait till next time. Hopefully I'll get out on March 6th, get up to Cecil County, meet up with Incredible Hemi, and we'll do some more races, do some more testing with the 370 gears, and see if we can, you know, drop that 60 foot, which in the end, you know, drops that ET at the end of the line. So, you know, that's racing. Things happen. Things are weird. Things, you know, aren't always perfect. And that's racing, you know, especially when you're talking about the drag strip and using, you know, drag radials. Tires are expensive. Racing in general gets expensive. So sometimes you hit those weird things and, you know, your day is done. So just keep that in mind. Don't get discouraged, you know, when those things happen. You just do what you got to do, fix them, get back to the racetrack. All right, back to the races.
Guys, come on down when you guys are ready. Bike sugar plus 799 and regular bike sugar almost. For that, looking like solid legend, 17,825 miles an hour. Now going course. 1023 with an 9, 1080 with a 5, or parking 1080 with a 7, 142.
Tires are pretty good on him.
He lit him up, boy.
Top of the racetrack, right side goes 1055 with a 5.
He rolling in that burner.
Wagon first and third. Neon. Top of the racetrack, left side got the speed of 1197 with a 4, 122. Right side of the racetrack, follow. Come on down, make sure that the tech run is spelled out front and back, backside of the side by driver and crew. Also, please bring all safety equipment with you when you come up to tech. Top end 1160.
Alright, here comes Mike. He's our Hellcat owner. Let's see what the Hellcat does this morning.
13-0113 for the right lane. Maryland was 9773. Left lane Charger, right lane. Regular test 2, you'll be in lanes 1 and 2. Hop Motorsports Junior Drag shows you'll be in lane 9. Stop the crosswalk. Pro Tree in no time. Slick Prep Cars. You're going to be in lanes 3 and 4.
Shut up. I don't even want
Right, we got 392 versus the Hellcat.
Session tire runs and do not come up unless the class has this fault. 1192 to 9. Like as much as others, but you go back to them now and you realize it's like the more they
Stangmode against another Mustang. We're on here lining them up. Let's see what Stangmode can do today. That's it for me today. I got the hit with a hole in the Hoosiers and the slicks. So I tried to do one pass on street tires, spun like crazy. It's just one of those days, and that's racing. That's what happens. You win some, you lose some, and this one I just happened to lose some. So we're gonna have to go look at some tires and see where we're gonna wind up getting next. All right, that's gonna do it for this vlog. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a return visitor, I appreciate the support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
regular